What's up, guy? Alright, let's take a look at this. Cotton candy water. I think it sounds interesting.
Ooh.
Gonna open it up.
Ah.
I'm gonna do a little taste test. Whoa. I think that they can go away. Nostrovia.
To your house. What does it taste like?
Okay. Weird ass for the taste. Ooh, excuse me. It definitely is not water. I don't believe them. Whatever this is it's not water. Yeah, maybe it is, maybe it's not. But
Does it taste weird?
it's got an interesting texture to it. There's no cotton candy flavor. Well, there's a little bit. It's the aftertaste. It tastes like cotton candy, but besides that, yeah, as I said, it's quite interesting. As I said, the label speaks for itself. It's cotton candy water.
Both sides of the yin and yang.
And yeah, so like, subscribe, ring that bell, and
Like this video.
if you like this type of stuff, like it, comment down below. What should I taste test next? And yeah.
Not alcohol.
Yeah, none of that.